In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Wix. We'll walk through starting a new campaign, designing it so it looks polished, choosing who gets it, and sending it out with confidence. From your Wix dashboard, open the Marketing section. This is where all your promotional tools live. Next, go to Email Marketing. If this is your first time, you'll see the prompt to create your first email campaign. Go ahead and click that. You'll be offered different ways to begin. Choose Create with AI if you want a quick starting point, and then select Start Email from Scratch to open a clean editor you can fully customize. Inside the editor, add a catchy header. Click the header area and type a clear, benefit-driven title your audience will immediately understand. Keep it short, action-oriented, and relevant to your update or offer. You can refine the look of your newsletter by switching between the Design and Content panels. In Design, adjust colors, fonts, and spacing to match your brand. Consistent branding helps readers recognize you and builds trust. In Content, click each section to edit text, swap images, and add or edit buttons. Use a simple intro paragraph, a bold call to action, and supporting details below. Replace placeholder images with your own visuals and make sure any button links go to the correct page. A quick tip: preview on mobile to ensure headings, images, and buttons stack nicely and remain easy to read. When your content looks good, move to Add Recipients. Here, choose who should receive your newsletter. You can select all contacts or pick a specific group if you've organized your audience into segments. Selecting a smaller, more relevant group can improve engagement, but if this is a general update, all contacts can work. Next, open the campaign overview. Review your subject line, sender details, and the preview of your email. Use the Send Test Email option to send a copy to yourself. Check that links work, images load fast, and the message reads clearly. If anything looks off, return to the editor to make quick corrections. Ready to go? Click Send. Confirm your choice, choose Send Now, and finalize by clicking Done. Wix will begin delivering your newsletter, and you'll be able to track performance in your dashboard afterward, opens, clicks, and more, so you can learn what resonates and improve future campaigns. That's it. You've created and sent a professional newsletter in Wix, from setup to send, in just a few guided steps.